Mum, Dad, making the mundane fun. Hi and welcome back to Mum, Dad. Patio doors, sliding doors are very, very easy to break into depending upon the locks that you've got. But there is a really easy trick you can do to make your patio door, your sliding door, more secure. And I'm going to show you in 1 second. So as the door will slide this way, and you've got the 5-point lock on here, which is very secure usually. But if you just place something within the runner at the bottom down here, that will stop the door from opening, even if it's actually managed to damage the lock. So the patio door is actually open now, but what I've got here is just a broom handle, and obviously you can paint this to the required specification, paint it white or whatever, cut it to the required length, and just place it in the runner here. If I try to open it now, it's just not, it won't budge at all, because this pole here is preventing the door from moving, from opening, and it's a very, very easy and very, very cheap way of just securing your patio door, especially if you're going away on holiday somewhere and you're leaving the house for a while. It's a very, very good system to use and very easy to do. Thanks for watching, Mum, Dad. See you again soon.